Now we will discuss the MCQs of the chapter. So the first MCQ is, which of these is a true statement? Both plasmid and virus can act as a vector. Both plasmid and virus can carry recombinant DNA. Vectors can carry only foreign gene. Only gene therapy uses the vector. Both A and D are correct. The right option is option A. Both plasmid and viruses can act as a vector. Second है, which of these is a benefit of having insulin produced by the biotechnology? It is just as effective, it can be mass produced, it is non-allergic, it is non-expensive. All of these are correct. The right option is option E. All of these are correct. Third है, the restriction fragment length polymorphism RFLPS option A are achieved by using restriction enzymes. Option B, identify individual genetically. Option C are basis of DNA fingerprints. Option D, all of these are correct. Option C can be subjected to gel electrophoresis. The right option is option E, can be subjected to gel electrophoresis. Fourth है, which of these would not expect to be a biotechnology product? Vaccine, modified enzyme, DNA probe, protein hormones, steroid hormones. The right option is option C, DNA probe. Question 5 है, what is the benefit of using the retrovirus as a vector in gene therapy? It is not able to enter the cells, it is incorporate foreign gene into the host chromosome, it eliminates a lot of unnecessary steps, it prevents infection by other viruses. Both B and C are correct. The right option is option E, both B and C are correct. Question 6 said gel electrophoresis cannot be used on nucleotide, measure the size of plasmid, tell viruses are infection, measure the change of the size of the protein and DNA fragment. All of these are correct. The right option is option D, measure the change of size of protein and DNA fragment. Question 7 है, which of these is incorrectly matched? Protoplast, plant cell engineering, RFLPS, DNA fingerprinting, DNA polymerase, PCR, DNA ligase mapping gene, human chromosome. The right option है option D, DNA ligase mapping human chromosome. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हो गए. In the next video we will discuss the short questions.